Tire and wheel alignment play a bigger role in tire life and safety than people realize. Proper alignment is not just about keeping tires from wearing out early, although that is a big part of it for sure. But it's also about protecting your customers' investment and keeping their vehicle safe on the road. Let's go over some alignment basics so you can make the most out of these service opportunities. When a vehicle is up on the lift, it's smart for shops to take a really close look at it and not just the tires. This not only helps spot issues before they turn into bigger problems, but it also shows customers that you're watching out for the overall health of their tires and suspension. Today's alignment equipment makes this process a whole lot easier. Modern features allow technicians to see alignment angles in seconds, which helps identify problems quickly and accurately. That means less time wasted, faster service, and more confidence for the driver once they leave your shop. Of course, a good understanding of alignment starts with the basics. Thrust angle, for example, refers to how the rear axle lines up with the vehicle's center line, and when it's out, it can lead to a crooked steering wheel or a dog tracking condition, which is a vehicle alignment issue where the rear axle is not parallel to the front axle, similar to how a dog's hind legs and paws track slightly to one side of its front legs. On a truck with a solid rear axle, that might point to a bent frame. On vehicles with independent rear suspensions, that can happen if toe settings are off in opposite directions. When it comes time to make adjustments, the process matters. Always use a level alignment rack set on its locks and make sure the rack can handle the vehicle's weight. Take the time to set up the machine correctly, check tire pressure, free up the turn plates, and adjust angles in the proper order. Skipping steps or rushing through can lead to costly comebacks. Remember, never underestimate the importance of a test drive and a careful inspection before making changes. A thorough shakedown to spot worn or damaged parts or abnormal tire wear ensures the alignment is done right the first time. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.